Hello guys, I'm Farzana Alam Chuma. Today I'm going to discuss about the income from salary assignment. Actually, it is from income from salary mathematic terms, mathematic problems. I'm going to solve it. Okay, here is an example like SS is Muhammad Shahidul Haq and SS year is 2019 to 2020 and income year is 2018 to 2019. Now I'm going to determination of the total income. Okay, income from salary. Here basic salary is 40,000. So 40,000 for 12 months is 4,80,000 taka. Okay, here you guys can see it in yellow marks. What is basic salary? Basic salary means the pay and allowance for service other than mechanical involving some skill. Total amount of basic salary in a year is taxable. So here 4,80,000 whole amount is taxable. Darness allowance. Here, darness allowance, the payment is coped with the higher cost of living, which is certain percentage of the basic salary. So, darness allowance is we have to 10% of the count the 10% of the basic salary. So here basic salary is 4,80,000 into 10%. So the darness allowance is 48,000. Only 48,000. The special allowance is 25,600 taka. Special allowance profit is excluded from the taxable income. That is fully exempted. So in special allowance, you don't have to give any tax. Bonus to equivalent. Bonus is always like basic salary. Like you have basic salary is 40,000 and bonus is also 40,000 for 2 times 2 equivalent, like here is 2 Eid, that's a 2 equivalent, or 2 holiday, 2 Eid, like puja for everything, a bonus for 2 times. Bonus is extra salary for Eid, Christmas, or any occasion, and here total amount is taxable. That is the most saddest thing. So 40,000 into 2, the amount is 80,000. Now, the most toughest, not toughest, if you know all the rules, then it is very easy. Medical allowance. Medical allowance, 5,000. So 5,000 for 12 months is 60,000 taka. Here, less exempted taka, 1,20,000 or 10% of the basic salary. So here 60,000 minus 10% of basic salary is 48,000 taka. Okay, see, basic salary is 4,80,000 and 10% of the basic salary is 48,000. So 60,000 minus 48,000 is 12,000. So medical allowance is the amount if any so receivable or received excess 10% of the basic salary or 1,20,000 annually, whichever is less, shall be included in this income. Accommodation facility, the rental value. Here accommodation facility, the amount is 15,000 for 12 months is 1,80,000 or 25% of basic 1,20,000 taka or less rent should be paid. Here, if we see that 50,000 into 12 is 1,80,000 and here 20% or 25% of basic is 1,20,000 taka. So here less is 1,20,000 taka. So we are going to add it here 1,20,000. Now conveyance allowance. So conveyance allowance is 3,000. Okay, suppose that is 3,000. 3,000 for 12 months is 36,000 taka. So only higher of 30,000 taka should be paid. Higher of 30,000 is only 6,000 here. So 6,000 will add it here. And fees and commission. Fees is an amount paid for service and rendered, and it is with reference to the work performed, not with the reference to time factor. Commission is an amount paid for transferring a business. It may be based on sales or net profit or other factors, or it may be just a sum of money. Fees and commission is fully taxable. Here, fees and commission is suppose that is 2,000. Then entertainment allowance. Entertainment allowance is 5,000. If we suppose that is 5,000 for 12 months, that is 60,000. Now servant allowance. Servant allowance is 2,000 for 12 months. Full amount received for the purpose is taxable and there is no exemption. So that is 24,000 taka. Employer contribution to recognized provident fund. RPF means recognized provident fund. Here employer's total contribution is taxable. Like here basic salary is 4,80,000 into 10%, like 48,000 taka. 4,80,000. Where we get this 4,80,000? Okay, I will show you all. 4,80,000 is her basic salary. So RPF is recognized provident fund. That is taxable. 4,80,000 into 10%, 48,000. Interest on recognized provident fund. That is very easy. Like here, basic is 40,000 into 12, 4,80,000 by 3. If divided by 3, that is 1,60,000 taka. Now 40,000 taka at 20%. Calculation, if we want to know the interest of a recognized provident fund, we have to calculate it. Calculation rules is 14.5% equal interest or actual rate of interest into 14.5. Here interest is 40,000 by 20 into 14.5. So 40,000 by 20 is into 14.5 is amount is 29,000 taka. So now I'm going to write 40,000 minus 29,000, that is 11,000 taka. So interest is the 11,000 taka. Mobile bill paid by the company is 5,000 for every month. So 5,000 into 12, 60,000. And entertainment allowance is 8,000 for 12 months. That is 96,000 taka. 96,000 taka. So now I am going to sum up all the amounts. 4,80,000 plus 48,000 plus 80,000 plus 12,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 6,000 plus 2,000 plus 60,000 plus 24,000 plus 48,000 plus 11,000 plus 60,000 plus 96,000 plus, okay, 96,000, and total is 10,47,000 taka. So taxable income is 10,47,000 taka. Now income tax. We'll know some rules, like on the first 3 lakh taka is 0% is 0 taka. That is some rules in income law. Income tax. Income tax. There is some rules. On the first 3 lakh taka is 0%, and on the next 1 lakh taka for 5%. On the next 3 lakh taka for 10%, and on the next 3 lakh 47 taka, 3,47,000 taka for 15%. So now we are going to calculate it. 1 lakh taka into 5% is 5,000 taka. 3 lakh taka into 10,000 is 30,000 taka, and 3,47,000 taka into 15% is 52,050 taka. So the total is 87 and 50. 87,050 taka. So the total income tax is 87,050 taka. So that's all from income from salary. Thank you very much. Take care, everyone. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. And I will be available with new all videos with income law, income tax law. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Thank you so much.